Good morning. Happy Friday, guys. I know another Friday has been here already, and for today, I'm going to pick red to go with this sari. So I'm going to wait for some time till someone hops on, and then we'll pick the color for today. And if you're hopping on, say hi. And if you're watching the replay, please type hashtag replay. I would appreciate that. That will push the video up for someone else to see it in the group. And what's the plan for the long weekend? How are you planning to spend with family? For me, I was planning to have our second floor painted. My husband was doing it, but this week it was uh, raining like anything. The whole week was gloomy. I know most of the places are like that. So I don't think we'll be doing this week for sure. So I'm going to wait for some more time until it's little more warm, because that way it makes it easier, because that's one of the place where we'll be spending most of our time in a day, and we need to paint the staircases too, so that will make it harder if it takes time to dry, and if it and it the work will be sloppy if we don't have enough daylight. And the more you have daylight, that's when you'll feel energetic. That is my policy. Like the days when it rains, obviously I'll be like so slow, and I'll be like just dragging my whole day. So I prefer a little bit of sunlight. I know this year I never had this for the. I've been in NC for past 6 years, I think. Yeah, 6 years, close to 6.5, but never had this much weather change in one season. This I remember being in Chicago. We used to have obviously colder weather till Memorial Day weekend, but being in NC, even by April first week or second week, it will really. I mean, it's like India. Seriously, it is like you never have a spring or a fall. Those are like our. Hi Divya, good morning. Hope you had a great day. Anniversary yesterday. I wanted to call you. Maybe I'll call you over the weekend. Good morning, Da. Thank you so much for hopping on. You are on right time before I was about to pick the color. I was like obviously having a tough time picking a red for today. These are the choices I had. Obviously, red rose, habanero, fly girl, and I wasn't sure whether I wanted to go with crimson. Thank you, Da. This is the first time I'm wearing the saree. Sometimes that's what like I always feel. Even though I make a purchase, I'm not a person who like immediately wears the. I mean, once I buy it, sometimes it's obviously ends up in India, so I have to either they have to ship it or I have to go. But this saree, I think I ordered in 2018, and I ended up. That's really nice, Divya. You have to post me the picture of the cake Sihi baked. You haven't posted me that. I want to see that. So, Sipa, this sari took me like almost 2 years for me to wear. That's how much time it takes for me to take one and wear it. People think that I wear sari often, but even for me, sometimes it is like so. What is it like? It takes so long for me to pick one and wear it, and even the this one Kritika gifted me from Shakti's boutique. Like I mean, Shakti's hi-fi, but it is like I think this kind of piece I never had anything to pair with. So when I was thinking of this kalamkari, this immediately popped. So I need to thank Kriti for that, because she's the one picked it for me. Because this will be obviously my out of my comfort zone, and it is what is it like it's a lengthy one, so I don't think whether I can pair it with the other things. So but this one it really suited, so I went for that. And so help me pick the color, obviously. So So it's Crimson, Red Rose, Habanero, Fly Girl and Neutral. I was thinking even Neutral will be good because I wanted to go with matte glass. Yada, thank you. Yes, this one is perfect for this saree. So that's why I went with it. The wood will add on to that rustic feel. And what do you think? Which red will go with that? So, Fly Girl, Habanero, Red Rose. So obviously, as I said, I'm going to go with matte. Okay, Habanero or neutral. Okay, yeah, let's go with that. I know I have done crimson many times. I think the last black saree, did I do blue red? I don't even remember. I think I did blue red or something. So neutral or Habanero. So neutral or Habanero. Which one? Which one will go? Habanero will be obviously the bright orangish one. I'm okay with habanero too. Neutral will be little subtle. So, shall we go ahead with the habanero then? Let me first clean my lips. I always try to clean it with witch hazel because I don't have water in this one. So, but you don't have to. You can just use what is that, like water to clean your lips, but always make sure you clean your lips, that way you don't have any makeup or any other food particles in there. That way lip sense can bond with your lips. And forgot to mention about my eye look. This eye look I think I did in back in my Navratri series along with the red sari. It was from Whimsical Brush. I love her eye looks. Bhavna creates like everyday kind of eye looks which you can easily wear and pair any color, whether it's green or gold. She will always make sure she creates them like a wearable one. So let me show what I have used. These are the colors I have used. I have used a natural tan to color correct, and then I have used Americano as all over my lid color, and then I did a black brown pencil liner first to deepen the corners, and I smudged it out, and then I made no, Divya, yeah, I wanted to start with it. I think once I saw you, I was like, I immediately jumped onto the lip sense. So, and then I did a mix red and French roast, and I deepened the corner there. Hi, Anu. Good morning. How are you? Thank you so much, Anu. I know you rock these things more than me, so I am happy to hear it from you. Onyx is the black I have used. I didn't use the black pencil liner. I ran out of it. So what I did is I used the black shadow sense for my lining the upper line and also the lower water lines, and smudged it out. And what else? Like I have used the waterproof and non-waterproof to layer it. Like yesterday, you can see how much the volume it gets. I think because of my eye shape, it's little harder for me to show the length, but I think even in yesterday's picture it was visible. So I really love to even layer them for special days. And when you wear lip sense, obviously make sure to shake it well, because lip sense doesn't have any particles to any ingredient that can mix the color well. Since it's really pigmented, that too habanero and all will be really pigmented. So obviously make sure to shake it well. And we are going to do 3 thin layers. Habanero is one of the recent limited edition. It was more of a bright orangish shade. It's part of the Fiesta collection. I did the eye look with the Fiesta Shadow Sense yesterday. Yes, I know. I try to wear it at least once a week this time. Hope I can make it at least 40 saris this year. Let's see how it goes. I know I have missed first few months, but let me try to catch up. So that's my first layer. You can see how bright immediately it makes the face. I'm going to seal it with matte glass for today because these color will really pop when you do a matte glass. So that's my first layer. So always make sure when you do thin layers it's going to dry out faster, but always make sure to leave at least 10-15 seconds. That way the color can settle in a bit. When you go for the next layer it won't be streaky at all, because if you do either thick layers or if you are not giving enough time to dry in between, obviously the layers may be streaky, and also they may start to what is it like peel earlier because of the layers being thick. So let me go ahead and do the second layer. And always wipe out the wand clearly. That way you literally have to have the wand clear. And hope you have seen the sale that I have posted. So for any orders above 150, I'm going to give them a free glass of their choice. It can be anything from the stock I have, the ones I posted already. I have few clients in the row. They haven't decided the color, so I'm just waiting for them to confirm. But that's a really nice one, because these glosses, as I say, can work like a lip balm, and you can use it for your kids too, because it has the light tint but acts as a lip balm, so it is not like a heavy lip sense, and you can also wear it without the lip sense on it. So you can just use it as a lip balm the days you don't wear it. So they are like quick fix on the go. And the men's sale is still going on for the Father's Day package. The shaving cream, the shaving cream, and the cleanser, the moisturizer, and the free lip balm, and that's included in the sale too. So you will get more value out of it, because already that has like a $20 value of lip balm free, so you can still add this one to it. So that's like a double benefit for you if you are grabbing one. So I'm going ahead with my third layer. I'm going to scrape it as much, and then I will finish it off. Always make sure to do on the water line, because that's where it's going to break earlier. And when doing lip sense, if you can stretch a bit, that can help too. If you think like it is settling in your crease, the lines you have, then having it stretched a bit will make it easier for you to apply. And as I said, I'm going to go ahead with seal it with matte glass for today. And since for me, I've been applying lip balm and other things, for me it's okay. But if you are like new to lip sense, or if you are someone who has dry lips, make sure to you seal it with glossy first. That way you will have the moisture soaking in, and then go ahead and apply matte gloss, because that way you get both benefits of both of them. Because matte gloss may be little drying when compared to glossy. Obviously, I know many of you will prefer matte gloss. Even for me, with reds and all these bright shades, I prefer to have matte gloss. So if you are going ahead with the matte gloss, make sure to apply glossy first for, and leave it for just 20-30 seconds. And once you apply matte gloss, it obviously going to turn into matte. Let me go ahead and apply matte gloss. It's a really pretty shade. The whole Fiesta collection is really good. Like Dahlia I really love, because it is like a more pinkish peach shade. Even Divya was asking me that day, like, is it closer to, what is it, like closer to dark pink, but it's not actually. See, that's the habanero with matte gloss. Matte gloss will make the color even more prominent. So I think that completes the look, because this is like a monochromatic look. It has more only browns and the beige kind of shade. But even my eye look, I have paired it with like a brown smoky eye. It's a subtle smoky eye. It's not like a heavy smoky eye I did for last week. I think I did for the black saree I did. It's not like that. It's really subtle. And even the jewelry I have today, all are like wooden. Like all three are from Shakti's Hi-Fi. So since all of them are monochromatic, this color will really pop. Like, I mean, having a bolder lip color for this look makes it complete. So as I said, the sale is going to be there till this month end. So make sure you grab it. Even if you think you are going to stock up on your skincare set, think about it. It is usually the cleanser, daytime and nighttime, all three together comes to 140. So even if you add a oops remover or a glossy gloss or even an eye pencil, it's going to come above 150. That way you can snag the whatever you are paying, you are still going to get back with the free gloss. So that way you can stock up, because these are some things you will use it again and again. Same way with the moisturizers, and I mean the same way with the hair care and other stuff. So for today I have used the new hair plenish shampoo and serum. So I will use it for a few more weeks before I share my results with you guys. But anyway, I will post a picture of my hair too for you to see how it looks. And what else for today? So you guys enjoy the long weekend. I am planning to try to pop on sometime to do the new gloss. I wanted to do sometime during this long weekend. Hopefully Monday. I don't know the plan as of yet, but I wanted to hop on like an extra live. Usually I do Wednesdays and Fridays, but if I have time I will do it. And one more announcement I forgot to make yesterday was there are few, like Purple Rain, you know already, it's announced that it's going to go away. The same way there have a few Shadow Sense colors, and also the brown pencil was sold out. Thank you, Anu. All three are from Shakti's Hi-Fi. All three are paparazzi. I think I started wearing more bangles from her after so long. I think I used to have Jayashree's the silk thread ones, but most of my silk thread ones has stones in it. I think I didn't have anything plain, so these silver and the wooden bangles and all I stocked up from her. The only thing is that's what I think they are like 2.6 or 2.8, but for me it's perfect. So I have so many bangles. I'm a very big bangle lover. I think my mom had a very big collection even when I was married. I don't know whether you guys remember. There used to be roadside shops where they sell bangles that made of clay kind of. If you remember, I used to have every single color, and I used to have it in a stand when I was going to back in. I mean, when I was in working in IT, I used to have every single color of it. I threw it away, all those. I don't even have them now because it was in Amma's house, and then I sold I mean, I just threw it. So what else? So as I was saying, the brown pencil was already sold out. So I have just one last brown pencil for you to grab. It's no more available to sell. The same way, there are few limited edition colors with they are going to go away, like mauve shimmer, cinnamon shimmer, I guess, the recent smoked shimmer, which I really liked. That is all in that list. I am going to post that list for today. So if you are looking for something, grab it, either from the website, or if I have it in stock, you can very well grab it. But those are again limited editions. They are going to go because they are going to introduce new colors, and if you are like any of the old ones, please make sure to grab it. I know mauve shimmer was in many people's list, so that was listed in one of the colors that's going to go away. So I have just one mauve shimmer left, I guess. So that's all for today's look. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy with family. Stay safe. And for us, even the restaurants and salons and all getting opened after today evening, I guess. So hopefully we are going to go back to the normal routine. I don't know how far it is, but at least I know many small business will be happy to open back and run in half capacity at least. So let's support them, and have a wonderful day, and see you all soon with a new content. Bye.